In a separate video, I've discussed financial accounting versus management accounting. I'd suggest you go and look at that because the next two slides and what I really want to highlight is the role of IT, information communications technology, and financial accounting uh, that is played, IT especially, and financial accounting. So I want to highlight these two aspects in the next two slides. So if you want more details on the difference between financial accounting and management accounting, look at that video. So moving forward, so the problem with IT and financial accounting, both financial accounting and IT, so FA and IT, is that they're really focused on the red spots. If you look at what is it doing, it's ensuring that you stay out of jail, so to speak. Whether your taxes are paid, statutory compliance, is your accounting in place, the audits, so all the number crunching, everything that is need to do. At the end of the day, all this is an overhead. Entire IT and FA for you is an overhead, which you can do without because their real focus, the whole finance department seems to be only there to help ensure that you pay your taxes. The only purpose seems to be that they don't seem to be able to help you with anything else. So if you really look at it in an India context, for example, profession tax, ESIs are paid, the TDS is done, then the duties are paid, excise duties, GST, uh, EMDs are paid. Hardly any of them are followed up. The EMD is left stuck, so the cost of finance is not really followed up. Sales tax. So if you really look at it, these are the red. Or in a year, if you take 100 rupees of revenue in a company, the real benefit is ensuring that you're doing all this. Yes, they do help in keeping some of those reds smaller. Good accountants, good financial accounting, good planning, good lawyers, good governance, risk management, compliance, all that will help you reduce the reds uh, and help you be more profitable. Yes, it's useful. But what the real focus of IT and FA should really be the financial management rather than the accounting side of things is on the next slide, as you will see, is the green part. Earlier we saw the red part, which is the expenses. Now, if you look at the green parts here, this is your money, this is your profit. The reds have to go. Why are you wasting time on the reds? If you have good compliance, for example, the GST in India ensures that your invoices are taxed and paid for. So it's a statutory job. It can be done. You don't need the finance department or financial accounting, or the financial accounting should take care of this, automate that. But now comes the green part where you can wealth creation takes place in the green parts. So you can quickly realize how you can motivate your employees, make them understand profit costing. We're still talking about the 100 rupees that you're earning in a year, 100 rupees or $100 that you're earning. How do I conserve cash? What's the return on investment? What's the total cost of ownership for my stockholders? How do I handle procurement? Go towards zero-based inventory. What's the wastage from my inventory or manufacturing? How to track and workflow. So what's the cost? Can I improve efficiencies? How do I increase profits for my stakeholders? You can quickly see that everything in this. So let's assume a tax payout of about 15.4%. So if all the reds amount to 15.4%, the balance which you have control over is this 84.6% out of 100. This is just an example that is being taken. So you have total control over this green income. And that's what financial accounting and IT department, IT, the whole idea, these two departments, big overheads in most companies, are not taking care of the green parts. They're only focused on the red parts. And you can see that again. So the red parts are the sales tax, the corporate tax, the what you have to pay, statutory payment. Let's assume in our example that it is about 15%. So this 15%, their whole focus seems to be you're paying out of this 15% on your revenue, overall revenue, and that seems to be the only job. So the whole thing is a huge overhead, the IT and ICT. The focus should change to the greens, which essential difference being that this is management accounting, futuristic, and really more important to your organization. And the Clickstar focus has generally been on management accounting rather than financial accounting.